Job, peace be upon him, what a great servant he was to Allah, who practiced great patience. Allah the Glorious asks us to think and ponder over the amazing story of Prophet Job, Ayub in Arabic, and what a great servant he was. He practiced great patience, and the story contains wisdom that people of intelligence can derive and benefit from. Prophet Job was blessed with a lot in his life. He was good looking, had a beautiful family with 12 children, and righteous, loving wife. He also had a good business with many animals, farm land, and was very wealthy. However, the shaitan, devil, spread rumors around town that Prophet Job, peace be upon him, was only worshipping Allah because Allah had blessed him with so much. Then Allah the Glorious decided to test Prophet Job, peace be upon him, to raise his ranks and to show people that Prophet Job was not only worshipping Allah because of his blessings. Prophet Job, peace be upon him, was inflicted by many diseases in his body, where he got extremely ill. His skin was full of blisters and pus, and his skin color changed. He had leprosy, and his teeth was falling out. His illness was so bad that he had to separate himself from his family. His children had an accident, and they all passed away at once. But Prophet Job had a beautiful quality of patience, where he never lost his calm. Prophet Job maintained a good connection with Allah and kept constantly praising and remembering Allah throughout the day. He remained patient and faithful to his Lord. Even after he was afflicted with trials and calamities, he never altered a single word of complaint. People in the town started to assume that he had done a major sin. His body had an odor, and the people in the town started to distance themselves from him, except for his wife. She had to take a job to support the two of them. His wife asked him, why doesn't he ask Allah to cure him and to provide him with what he needs? After all, he is a prophet of God. He responded, we lived a blessed, wealthy life for 70 years, and we never complained. I am ashamed to call on my Lord to remove this hardship. He then asked, shouldn't we be thankful for what we were blessed for 70 years? His wife remained his companion and comforter throughout many years of suffering and difficulty. Then the people in the town decided to stop employing his wife because they thought Prophet Job was bad luck and blamed everything on him. So Prophet Job and his wife, peace be upon him, started to run out of money and food. One day his wife came home with a lot of food, and he asked her where she got it. Then he noticed pieces of her hair was missing, and he realized she was selling her hair to provide for them. Then he felt bad and made dua to Allah. Indeed, difficulty has touched me, and you are the most merciful of the merciful. Then Allah asked him to kick his foot on the ground, and water from the spring gushed forth, which he drank. Then all the blisters, pus, and diseases were cured, and he looked young again. When his wife returned, she did not recognize him and asked him if he knew where her husband was. Not only did Allah return everything to him, but he doubled everything they used to have, and even resurrected their children and blessed them with another 12 children and made them young again. After everything was restored and multiplied, Prophet Job, peace be upon him, knelt and prayed to Allah to express a deep sense of gratitude to Allah.